In came a fiddler with a music book and went up to the lofty desk and made an orchestra of it, tuning like 50 stomach aches. In came Mrs. Fezziwig, one vast, substantial smile. In came the 3 Miss Fezziwigs, beaming and lovable. In came the 6 young followers, whose hearts they broke. In came all the young men and women employed in the business. In came the housemaid with her cousin the baker. In came the cook with her brother's particular friend the milkman. In they all came, one after another, some boldly, some shyly, some gracefully, some awkwardly, some pushing, some pulling. In they all came, anyhow and everyhow. Away they all went, 20 couples at once, hands half round and back again, up the middle and down again, old top couple in the wrong place, new top couple starting out again, and then finally all of them top couples at once and not a bottom one to help them out of this predicament. And when this result was brought about, old Fezziwig stopped the dance by clapping his hands and yelling out, "Well done!" And the fiddler plunged his hot face into a pot of porter especially provided for that purpose. There were dances and forfeits and more dances.